If you think hormone therapy is the same for everyone, think again. Here at Rejuvime Medical, we customize hormone treatment plans specifically to fit your needs. Hi, I'm Lacey. I'm one of the medical providers here at our Metairie location. First, we start with an in-depth lab testing to understand your unique hormone levels. This is not just based on numbers. We listen to your symptoms and your goals, what you're trying to get out of treatment. Based on your results, we design a treatment plan specifically for you, looking at testosterone, estrogen, thyroid, or any other therapies we offer. No two bodies are the same. Some bodies need more energy, some bodies need more sleep, some people want more strength, libido, and some focus specifically on mood. And we don't just stop there. Your plan continues to evolve as you evolve. Ready to take control over your health? Visit us at Rejuvime Medical today.